One massive thing that gets overlooked when buying a brand new tablet is not looking at the previous generation's models. This is the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, and though it's a 2021 model, it packs a hell of a punch. And you know what they say in 2023, when it comes to tech, it's all about bang for your buck. Now have a look here. The unboxing experience is exactly what you'd expect from Lenovo. So let's dig into the specifications. It comes equipped with an 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 875G. Snapdragon? Which, while not being the latest and greatest, can still run graphic-intensive games and multiple apps at the same time without any issues. It also comes with up to 8 GB of RAM and a max of 256 GB of internal storage. But if that's not enough space for you, Lenovo did also include an SD card slot. Well done, Lenovo. Apple, please take notes. I'm tired of paying for my cloud storage. One thing they technically didn't include is a aux port. But who really uses those anyways? Some of us do. So Lenovo, with their big brains, thought ahead and added an adapter. I must say, it is a pretty premium feeling device with its aluminium and metal body that weighs around 565 grams in total, which means it feels solid enough without being too heavy and awkward to hold, and the finish is also pretty nice. This storm gray, it does it for me. Now, don't get me wrong, it sounds fancier than it really is, but I like it. And it's only 6mm thick, which I find pretty impressive considering the battery life this thing has. They've squeezed a 10,200 mAh battery in here. Damn! Now the screen is probably the best part. This 12.6-inch AMOLED display has a resolution of 1600 by 2560 and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The colors look fantastic with support for both Dolby Vision and HDR10+. It's also bright enough to be used outside, but it'll obviously look best indoors while watching Netflix on the couch. And it has great sound as well, with 4 built-in speakers that supports Dolby Atmos and sounds fantastic. The P12 Pro also comes with what they call a precision pen, which is basically an S Pen. Now, if you're somebody that likes taking notes or drawing pictures, this is for you. It's magnetic, has 4096 levels of sensitivity, and a physical button. It feels comfortable in your hand, and working with it is a pretty good experience overall. As for other cool features, there's facial recognition, a fingerprint sensor in the lock button, Qualcomm Quick Charging 4.0, and a really cool app that lets you basically use this thing as a wireless touchscreen for your computer. I found there to be some lag, but it's still pretty useful. So the big question here is, would I recommend buying this in 2023? The answer is yes, especially at the moment while the prices are really good. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, cheers, bye.